Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. In today's video I'll be showing you guys this new wig that I received from RPGHAIR. It is their ombre highlight colored new wig that also comes with the invisible lace. Y'all, look how natural this hair looks. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I style the wig from start to finish. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Here you can see what the lace looks like. So it already came pre-plucked, the knots were bleached. I literally didn't have to do anything at all. The wig comes with 4 combs, and the parting space on the wig is almost 6 inches. I haven't done anything new as far as like how I lay my wig, so I'll just be playing the music and you guys can watch me style my hair. From working with them in the past that their wigs are really great, but y'all, look at this hairline. I didn't have to do anything. Like I said, it already came pre-plucked, the knots were bleached. You didn't have to do anything. So if you're new to laying your own wigs, I would highly recommend getting a wig like this, simply because you would just have to focus on laying the wig and that's it. Here you can see the hairline really well. As you can see, it looks really natural, which I love. I'm just applying the wig with some spray. You can also customize the hairline however you would like. I don't like that the wig was like too far down as far as my forehead, so I'm also going to cut some of that hair off in the front just so it can like fit my face. I always like mentioning the better the lace, the easier it is for you to like lay your wig. Y'all can see how natural it looks. The part goes back almost 6 inches, it's 5.5. And now I'm going to just remove the lace from the wig. If any of the lace is still lifted, the only thing you would have to do is just add some spray and then like press it down while you blow drying it, and it'll melt right into your skin. Also, something I wanted to mention is they do let you choose what lace you would like, and this is their invisible HD lace, so I definitely recommend it because the other one is the Swiss lace. Now that I'm done laying the wig, I'm going to put some curls in my hair. I'm just using my flat iron. I was going for some big loose curls. The hair is really soft, and as far as RPGHAIR, I haven't really experienced any tangling or shedding. This is my first time getting a highlighted wig from them, and I have to say I'm actually really impressed on how the highlights came out, because I actually think that they look really nice. And they also have so many different other wigs on their website, just in case you're interested in a natural colored wig. I curled the rest of the hair off camera, but this is how the hair turned out. Yeah, I really love the wig. I'll make sure to put all the links in the description box down below. Also, if any of you are interested in purchasing any of the wigs that I show to you guys on my channel, please make sure to head on over to my other Instagram. I'll make sure to list it on the screen for you guys, and you guys can just DM me on there requesting whatever wigs you guys do see on my channel, because I just have way too many wigs. If you like today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to hit that subscribe button.